Basically, I think I'm just trying to make a giant hype machine. I'm trying to make a giant hip-hop, video editing, dope music, dope people hype machine. If that's the kind of thing you're interested in, I think you came to the right place. Alright, subscribe, Fresh Things Club, thanks. Yo, what's up? I'm Ty. I'm a professional video editor, videographer, producer, and founder of the Fresh Things Club. I produce dope music videos, I make guest appearances on video editing podcasts with other big-time YouTubers. I get paid to edit videos for people on Upwork. I don't really know how you got here, but my channel has three main parts. The second part that I'm most passionate about is Fresh, and this is the Fresh Things Club Worldwide Music Video Project, also known as the Fresh Things Club International MVP. What I want to do right now is make a dope, old MTV inspired, new sicko mode inspired music video platform in Southeast Asia, Korea, and United States, places I have access to for video editors, producers, rappers, and basically everybody. But I want to incorporate artists from different countries and film in different countries and mix it all together and condense it into individual dope videos. So I want to film music videos with the most talented artists that I can find. I want to find a producer, maybe get a beat from some guy in Finland. I want to get a rapper in Danang City. I want to film that in the morning. I want to hop on a plane, go to Phnom Penh, find another rapper in Cambodia, film the second verse, and then I want to make a sick dope music video promoting everybody and just making like a sick hype machine for the producer, for me, for rap artist A in Vietnam, rap artist B in Cambodia, rap artist C wherever you may be. I want to get everything translated for this, and my project is actually already started and underway. So this is Owens G. They let me film my first music video. It's out now. They have three talented artists that are featured in it. They have Nick, HBO, and Wino. I had the pleasure of meeting all of them. Full disclosure, I'm doing all of this basically by the seat of my pants. With Farkaz in Cambodia, I basically landed, picked up a $5 SIM card, doubled down on my efforts to spam all the Cambodian rappers, and set most of this up with Google Translate. After 2 or 3 people fell through, I was finally able to find Farkaz to spit in front of my camera at midnight on my last night there, and he came and picked me up on a scooter, drove me to the river, and I shot the film, and that's kind of what I'm doing in life right now. And he was super sick. He just didn't have access to like sick producers, so I want to connect people. I want to connect people to create sick things that never would have had the possibility of being made otherwise. I want to distribute sick footage to other aspiring video editors and have like 2 style videos all mixed into one. I want to create a learning environment for all of these artists to work together. So my goal in 2019 is to make about 50 dope music videos focusing on artists in Southeast Asia, Korea, and the world, connecting people all around and just building connections for everybody. Yeah, that's the goal right now, and it's pretty sick. Professional quality music video. What's sick about this is that I'm a video editor, so I don't even have to be there to film all this stuff. People can theoretically just send me videos from other countries, and then I can chop it up and make it look dope. Hit me up, even if you're not a rapper, just make sure your shit slaps. How this was inspired is my crazy lifestyle, where I'm always moving. I basically live worldwide. I was in 6 different countries last year. I spent 2.5 years in South Korea, so I have tons of connections there. I live in Southeast Asia and Vietnam. I have no idea what I'm doing with it. I have no idea where it's going to take me, but I am pursuing it enthusiastically and fervently, so I'm not really worried about where I'm going. The first, quickest, and easiest to explain is the Danang video guide. One thing about living here in Southeast Asia is sometimes things are hard to find, such as this mic equipment or this camera that I'm using right now. I'm going to make that stuff easier for other people, what stuff costs, things like that. Alright, and the third part about my channel, the third section about my channel is actually something that I'm loosely titling Young Professionals. Young Professionals is basically going to be like a how-to interview format style video podcast, exclusive interview series where I'm sitting down with these other young professionals that are doing stuff that I don't know how to do. Young entrepreneurs, young, cool, dope people doing dope things. So that could be my friends that passed their MCATs and went on to become doctors. That could be my Korean friends who are starting South Korean jewelry companies. For example, I've got my tattoo artist, which I've entrusted with like half of my body. He's flying in a couple weeks. So I'm going to be producing a video all about him, how he became what he is today. That could be someone in London starting a video editing company, shout out to Jack Cole. That could be someone in Israel using eBay and Amazon to make money off of each other. Or maybe it could be somebody like my friend Aaron, who is the guy that I've entrusted to do all these tattoos. I basically entrusted him with like half my body. Anything cool like that. So if any of this resonates with you, if you like making money, if you like hip hop, if you like tattoos, if you like living abroad, please subscribe to my channel. That's Fresh Things Club. I'll be here now, I'll be here later. Yeah, it'd be super helpful if you subscribed, and go Sixers and trust the process. All right. I basically entrusted him with like half my body. Hip hop, video editing, dope music, dope people hype machine. If that's the kind of thing you're interested in, I think you came to the right place. Alright, subscribe, Fresh Things Club, thanks. How to become a young professional in this modern age.
Tryna get